The 2015 Acura TLX GT Race Car. Along with the 2015 TLX Prototype Acura also unveiled the TLX GT Race Car at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show. The new Acura racer will be raced in the Pirelli World Challenge Championship, where it will face the likes of the Audi R8 LMS, Cadillac CTS-V, Chevrolet Corvette and many more. The new Acura TLX GT Race Car was developed by Honda Performance Development (HPD) and is offered with an impressive list of updates over the base TLX, including a new HPD-developed chassis and an aero kit, which includes a front lip spoiler, side skirts, front and rear bumpers and a huge rear wing, to keep the racer glued to the track. Under its hood, HPD took the base TLX's direct-injected V6 engine and strapped on a pair of turbochargers to bump its power to racing levels. Also included is Acura's super handling all-wheel drive SH-AWD system for optimal traction. Click past the jump to read more about the 2015 Acura TLX GT Race Car. Competitors: Audi R8 LMS. The Audi R8 LMS is one of the most successful race cars launched in the past few years, with no less than 18 titles won during its career. Of course, a car with such an impressive record comes with a huge price, €339,000, about $440,000 at the current exchange rates. The R8 LMS is powered by a V10 engine that delivers a total of 570 horsepower and sprints the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and up to a top speed of 195 miles per hour. Mercedes SLS GT3. Until Mercedes releases the GT3 version of the upcoming SLC, you will still see the current SLS racing for the German automaker. The SLS GT3 is powered by the same 6.3-liter V8 engine as the road-going version, but tuned to deliver more than 600 horsepower. The race car also received a more aggressive aerodynamic package that includes a new front apron with a splitter, the bonnet with central cooling air vent, wider front and rear wings, side skirts with cooling ducts for the rear brakes, a rear diffuser and the adjustable rear airfoil.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.